ready to build a stunning website without touching a single line of code. Let's dive into Tilda and unlock its drag-and-drop magic. First, head to Tilda Publishing and create your free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click Create New Site to start your web design journey. You can choose a name for your project. This will help you keep track of things later. Now, Tilda offers a range of professionally designed templates. Browse through them and pick one that closely matches your vision, or start with a blank page for total creative freedom. Once selected, the template opens in Tilda's intuitive editor. Here, you'll see pre-designed blocks ready to be customized. Think of them as building blocks for your website. Click on any block to edit its content. You can change text, replace images, adjust colors, and modify the layout to perfectly match your brand. For ultimate design flexibility, explore Tilda's Zero Block. This powerful tool lets you create completely custom blocks from scratch, giving you pixel-perfect control. Need to collect information from your visitors? Easily add a form block and customize the fields to capture leads, gather feedback, or process orders. To connect your own domain, head to your site's settings. Tilda provides clear instructions on how to point your domain to their servers, giving your website a professional touch. Finally, when you're happy with your design, hit the Publish button, and your stunning Tilda website will be live for the world to see. It's that easy.